So frog troops advisor in the excavator.
Yeah. Let's all go
Ayan,
down.
down ko na sila.
We can go down
Peace
now.
na sila.
Remember, we have to kill the boss before the frog troops from Peace arrives, okay? Focus on the boss, guys. We have to kill it before they can finish Peace boss. Okay, focus the boss, guys. After this, we're immediately going to Azrael, okay? Let's kill the boss fast, guys. Kill it fast.
Yeah, yung guild, careful.
Yep.
Some
Focus on the boss. Focus on just
pin
kill the boss.
type. They're messing up pin type.
Yep, don't worry.
Yeah, Zerg.
We can kill it fast. We can kill it
Zerg
fast.
pin type.
Just kill it. Doesn't matter. Just get the loot. Get the loot and then get out. Get the loot and then get out. Okay, we got the loot. Just get the loot. Get out. Go to Azrael now.
Yeah, I'm TPing Azrael now.
No need to stay. Okay, guys, start going in. Guys, look at the boss. Now, free sleepers. Push now, sleepers. Now, guys, flash wave here in 3, 2, 1. Flash wave big on the bomb, guys. Nice, go one. Let's go. Run them down, boys. Chase them. Okay, side.
And then.
Okay, hold for now. Go back. Reset. Let's get more numbers.
Go peace. Alright.
Oh, what a nice sleep, oh, I love that. Like 2 big sleeps there.
Thank you.
Yeah. Reset for now, guys. Same spot. Let me know if totem is up.
39%.
Okay, it's okay. We'll wait for the next totem. This is enough for next totem. Okay, guys. Same plan. Okay. So,
Yeah,
guys,
pin
look
nine,
at the pin. Look at the pin 9. Pin 9, guys. Sleepers, push now. In 3, 2, 1. Now, guys, flash wave towards the pin 9. In 3, 2, 1, guys. Let's go. Run them down. Towards pin 9. Push them. Pin 9.
You're asleep.
Wipe these guys. Run them down towards pin 9. Everyone to pin 9. Push to pin 10. Wipe them. At pin 8 now. Pin 8. Wipe the pin 8. Nice. Now careful. Zerg's pushing on pin 7. Stabilize. Hold on pin 9. Everyone hold on pin 9. Go back to pin 9. Now, guys, use your Torido on pin 8. Okay, now we're gonna wait. Go back. Everyone, go back. Pin 10. Go back to pin 10. We will hold here. They're wasting their flash wave. Now, guys, we'll push these guys in 3, 2, 1. Let's push pin 8. Push pin 8 now. 1. Can we sleepers? Can we get to pin 9? Now, guys, flash wave towards pin 9 in 3, 2, 1. Towards pin 9. Use your defensives, guys. It's mech. Use your defensive. We'll fucking tank this mech. Oh my god. Okay, start dealing damage to the boss. Towards the boss. Deal damage to the boss now. DPS the boss. Let's finish the boss. Kill the boss, guys. Nice.
I'll go Cornelius in advance.
Is it still? I think it's still alive.
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Cornelius. Let's go, Cornelius. Everyone to Silos Abyss now. Silos Abyss. Focus the stone. Don't let them respawn. Kill the stone. Can we kill the stone? Oh no, we can't damage the stone.
Ah, rest on me. Rest of the.
Ah, okay. Okay, just kill them. Just kill them. Focus on
Just
killing
farm
them.
them, just farm them, just farm them, just farm them.
Nice, nice, boys.
Farm them, farm them. Wait for their resurrection stone. Farm them.
Yup. I don't think we can reset the boss, so let's just kill the boss. DPS the boss now. DPS the boss now. Damage the boss now. Kill the boss, boys. Kill the boss. Nice. Okay. Now kill the rest, boys. Let's kill the rest. Let's camp this spot. Let's camp this spot.
Okay, we got Cornelius. We got Cornelius.
Nice!
weapon.
We stole the loot! We stole the
We
loot,
got Cornelius.
guys.
Weapon. Fuck, so fucking far, bro.
Hey, yo.
Yo.
It's okay. That was my bad. That was my bad. Pins done and screenshot it in Discord. Just
Nice,
I think
fine.
3 pins. It's enough, I think.
I need to
So
go
that
back.
other guilds can, or guardians or advisor can put it up.
Yeah, I fell down. Wait, let me go back. HP on the bus. I lag.
Still 50%.
Okay.
Still 50%.
No worries. Towards pin 3. Let's try pin 3. Let's experiment for now. Experiment. Let's take control of pin 3. Now go down, start going down. Oh, okay. This is frog troops area. Okay, don't worry. We're just experimenting.
Splash wave the shit out of them.
Kill these guys.
Oh my god, they're white.
Ah, okay. Noted.
Blue Moon and
Okay.
frog troops are like
Just waiting. I'm just waiting. Okay, guys. Let's land on the outer circle, outside pin 2, directly outside pin 2. Okay. Let's land there on 3, 2, 1. Outside circle on outside pin 2. Right here, guys. Oh, Frogtooth is also here.
They're just frog recruits, I think. They're guarding the place.
Yeah.
Can we kill them?
Let's try to wipe these guys.
He died.
This is the pink scale guild. Everyone down. Mark this as pin 6. Mark this as pin 6, guys. Okay, the guilds are pushing. Wait. Patience. Let them go in. Okay, guys, now start heading in towards conflict. Let's flank these guys. Flank them. Nice. Right side. Look at right side. Look at right side, guys. Right side. Wipe these guys on the right side. Nice. Good shit. Okay, hold this entrance for now. Come back for now. Hold this entrance. Hold. Now, guys, walk with me towards left side. Let's walk towards left side. Wait on Pensy.
Nice, Athena. Woo! So strong,
They're running away.
I'm lagging, bro, so I can't really deal damage.
Okay, let's wait for the pink scale to push and then we'll flank them again, okay? Let's group on pin 6 for now. Now, left side. Focus on the left side, guys. Left side. Go towards the, push the left side. Push the left side. Push the left side here. Follow in. Now guys, after that Mike, after the pop, we'll go in towards the boss, okay?
In front
Oh,
of us.
let's keep pushing. In front of us. Let's keep pushing. Push these guys.
So you got cross.
In front.
Fuck.
We got the bomb here.
Push them. This is the purple cats. Kill the purple cats. Okay, I think we got one. Let's reset. Let's go back to the entrance. You see pin 1, we're gonna dive pin 1, okay? Sleepers, go now. Sleepers, go now. Now guys, flash wave here, towards pin 1 in 3, 2, 1, flash wave pin 1, Guys, look at the bomb. Pin 1, boys. Nice! Let's get some kills.
Push.
Nice, push pin 1. Nice. Let's take control of the area here. Kill this people.
Fuck, I'm on the air.
Okay. Change of plans. We're just here for the kills. I forgot. Regroup again on pin 6. Gate, guys. No need to use gate. Since the boss doesn't really drop anything.
Okay, come back to pin 6, guys.
Yeah, pin 6 again. Let's kill some players, boys. Okay, we got the rest. Okay, start going in. Now guys, push the left side. Let's go clockwise here. Push the left side. Let's kill some players. Push the left side. No need to go to the inner circle. Let's just rotate, guys. Let's kill the players here. Boys, outer circle. Push the purple cat. Sleep bomb here. Big stick bomb. Push these people. Go.
Nice!
Okay, keep rotating, guys. Keep pushing. Keep rotating. Oh shit, that's fucking frustrum. Focus on the outer circle. Keep pushing, boys.
Yes, I died again. 5 FPS. Ultra out.
Thank you.